Hello everyone! How are you my friends? I hope all is well. Today's video we are going to have a short devotional in Psalm 61 verse 1 to 2. But first I am going to sing the first stanza of 1 and 2. Hear my prayer, O Lord. From the ends of the earth I cry. Your peace will lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Wow, what a beautiful verse in Psalm 61 verse 1 to 2. It's all about prayer of David to God. So guys, what is prayer? I know we all know about prayer. Prayer is just connecting to God. We connect to God with all our heart, with all our mind, with all our soul daily. So why it is very important to pray every day? Guys, it is very important to pray every day because we are not perfect. We need to ask guidance, blessings. We need to align our actions, our thoughts to God. That is why we need to pray. We also need to pray, guys, because we need peace. There is no peace in this earth. Peace only found in Jesus Christ, the Prince of Peace. So the peace is a gift from God. That is why we need to pray, to ask, to seek, to knock, and it shall be open to you. So nothing is impossible with God. So you pray, you ask, you seek, and you will find. So that is why we need to pray every day. Do not forget to enter the presence of God by thanksgiving and praise and prayer. Hallelujah. Okay? That is all about prayer, guys. So thank you for listening. God bless you all. I love you.